What's up everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make a basic salsa roja, which is a Mexican red salsa. If you're new to my channel, this is Mexican Cooking Academy, where we celebrate Mexican food, cuisine, and culture. Over the last 4 years, I developed an intense passion for Mexican culinary arts, and in September of 2020, I moved from California down to Mexico to pursue that passion and share it with the rest of the world. And that's what we're doing today. Today we're making a very typical Mexican salsa roja, which is a red salsa. This version in particular comes to us from Oaxaca, my favorite place in all of Mexico. Do yourself a do yourself a favor and make a double batch of this recipe and freeze it, because it really is that good. This salsa has a flavor profile of a marinara sauce, but with a slight Mexican twist to it in terms of spiciness. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 pounds or 1.5 kilos of tomatoes, 1/4 to 1/2 of white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 Serrano or jalapeno chilies, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt to taste. As always, you'll find this recipe and more down below in the description. And before we go any further, if you love Mexican cuisine as much as I do, hit that thumbs up, a like button, and subscribe button, please. Now start by combining the tomato, the onion, the chilies, and the garlic all together in a pan. Add approximately 1/2 cup of water to the pan, cover it, and let it cook for 20 minutes. Now after those 20 minutes, we're gonna check in on everything, and once all these veggies have had a chance to mingle together, develop some wonderful flavors and caramelization, we're gonna take all the contents of the pan here, and we're gonna transfer it over into a food processor or a blender, and we're gonna blend everything together until it's perfectly smooth. Finally, to finish the salsa, we're gonna take it back into the pan that we cooked it in, and we're gonna add 1/2 cup of water to it, and we're gonna cook that for about 10 minutes to let all the ingredients finish off together, and that's it. You can enjoy this wonderful salsa with eggs in the morning. It's really delicious. You can make chilaquiles with it. There, I have a recipe down below in a link, or check out my YouTube channel and you'll find the recipe for chilaquiles. It's also great with chicharron or Mexican fried pork skin. It goes really well with that as a dip, or simply as a condiment to any of your fried dishes or on tacos. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, leave those down below as well in the comments. I respond to all the comments as they come in. I really like hearing different variations of what people have made and what's worked well for them or what hasn't. That's all I got for you today. Until next time, live long and prosper.